All right, guys, make sure you don't sleep on this strategy. Make sure another spike right in front of you guys. I was just about to say something about that spike. I was just going to tell you guys that the spike is going to happen as soon as price gets to my moving average here. And it did right in front of you guys. Okay, you cannot sleep on this strategy. It's a very powerful one. It's a very powerful one. You know me, I'm about sharing really simple and powerful strategies. So you guys just make sure you stay close, watch this video to the end so you can get value. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that before, and please like this video. Like this video, please. Like this video. It's very important that you do that for me. All right, so as you can see, we are on a trade right now and we are catching a lot of profit, a lot of spikes. I'm going to show you guys how we do it. I'm going to show you guys how we win, myself and the VIPs. Let me show you guys how VIPs are winning, guys. All right, this is our free platform. I'm going to share the link so you guys can join. All right, this is the same trade on this video I'm showing you guys right now, so you can see that we're actually making profit right now trading this same boom 500 using this powerful strategy. So guys, you can join us here. I'm going to drop the link. The same strategy is what we used for the past couple of weeks and it's working very perfectly. All right, we are catching a lot of profits. We are hitting our take profit every now and then. You can see. All right, there's no single day that passes without us making profits. And yes, guys, we are on a weekend promo. If you join right now, you can grab this opportunity to join at the 50% discount. Make sure you join our VIP. It's very affordable. It's very it gives you value for the money you pay. All right, so the essence of this video is to show you how we actually do these things. Okay, so let's just get straight to it. All right, let's get straight to it. You can see the indicators on my chart. You can see the moving average on my main chart. You can see the RSI, the moving average, and the envelopes. The red line here and the green line here. All right. So I'm going to show you guys the settings right away. Okay, on your main chart, you'll be adding moving average, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel, black background. I'm using black color because my background is white, so I want to see it clearly. Okay, so after that, you just click done. And the next indicator you want to add is your relative strength index. Okay, as soon as you add that, it will create an indicator window one for you. That's if you don't have that already on your screen. Okay, so these are the settings. Period 14, apply to close, styles 3 pixel, white background, level is 10 and 90. 10 and 90. Okay, so you just add 10 and 90. You can decide to label this buy and sell, so you know those areas when you see them. All right, okay, just click done, and then you add the next indicator on your indicator window one this time. Sorry about that. You add it on your, excuse me, you add it on your indicator window one this time around. Okay, that will be your envelopes. So these are the settings. Period 70, shift 0, deviation 0.9, method simple, apply to close, upper band 2 pixel. You can see I'm using red background. You can decide to use any color of your choice. Okay, I'm using red color because I want it to represent my sell area, and green color for lower band because I want it to represent my buy area. Okay, so yeah, you click done after that, and then the next thing you want to add is the moving average on your indicator window one. Okay, these are the settings. Period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. I'm using black color this time because I want it to be visible on my screen. No levels is needed, so you just let it be. Okay, click done, and we are good. Okay, you have your indicator settings now. You want to apply price action because price action is actually what will keep you sustainable for a very long time, to keep you profitable in a very long time. Okay, if you only depend on indicators, you might be getting it wrong because indicators sometimes lie. Okay, but price action never lies. Okay, you only get to make mistakes and you learn from them, of course. So you want to go to your higher time frame, the 4 hours, to know the market direction. If you are trying to enter a boom market, boom 500, boom 1000, boom 300, whatever boom it may be. Okay, you want to be looking for buying opportunities when the market is in an uptrend. Okay, so you have seen that the market is in an uptrend. You have seen your series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. you want to identify your areas of interest as your support and your resistance. You can do that using horizontal lines. You can do that using Fibonacci levels. Okay, but you want to know those levels so that when price gets you those levels, that is only when you are to take a trade. Okay, so for boom 500, boom, any boom market at all, you want to wait for price to come to your support level. Okay, you want to wait for price to come to your support level. So price is at your support level. You want to switch to all the time frames. You can start from the daily time frame to see that the candlesticks are showing you bullish movement, especially the previous candles. All right, you don't really need to look at the current candle because you don't know what it might happen or what it might do next. Okay, but you look at the previous candles to know what had happened in the past, because price action is all about using past price history to tell what is going to happen next. Okay, so you look at all the time frames, look at the candles, make sure you are seeing some bullish moves. Okay, you now go to your lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and then you look at your indicators. This is when your indicators come to play. Your indicators will work perfectly after you have been able to tell the market direction, your area of interest. You are able to identify the moves that the candlesticks are making. Okay, so at this point you want to wait for your indicator on the your moving average on the indicator window to come to the buy level. All right, so this is what happened here. It came to this area and I took a trade. Myself and the VIPs, we are winning right now. We are happy right now. We are smiling. We are making a lot of profit. You can see what happened after I took that trade. It spiked, guys, and then multiple spikes followed. Okay, so you can notice also that on the main chart there is a moving average. All right, the black line here. Okay, soon as price spiked the first time, broke through that line, we tested that line, I was certain that it's going to be more spikes, and that's what happened next, guys. So this is a very powerful strategy. I want you guys to focus on this. Practice this on your demo. Make sure you practice it on your demo and make sure you understand this perfectly, and then go to your live and make a lot of money for yourself, guys. If you don't understand anything, you can chat me up. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp link on the description of this video, so you can reach me at any point in time, guys. All right, you want to join my VIP? It's very affordable. You want to join the mentorship program that is going on right now? The students are really learning fast. Okay, the students are really learning fast, so you want to join us right now, you can be a part of it. It's very affordable also. Okay, but make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, so that whenever I post another important strategy like this, you can see it, before anybody else. Take care of yourself, guys. Peace.